Hi viewers, welcome to Pallavi Maths Hub. In this session, I'm going to discuss about the blueprint of mathematics subject. So before that, your exam starts from 19th July 2021 and one more paper is on 20 July 2021. So 19th July, paper 1, core subject and 22 July long wages, that one is paper 2. Timings from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So paper 1 core subjects means three subjects are there: maths, that is part 1; science, part B; social, part C. So from mathematics subjects we have 40 questions, and from science subject we have 40 questions, and social 40 questions. So for each question you will get 1 mark. So 40 questions into 1 mark is equals to 40 marks. For science they allotted 40 marks, for social they allotted 40 marks. To overall 120 questions and 120 marks. So time limit for each paper. This is max, this is part A paper, part B paper and part C paper. So each paper time limit is 1 mark. So total hour is 3 hours. So for math subject 1 hour, for science subject 1 hour, for social subject 1 hour. So 3 hours for paper 1. Same way for paper 2, languages, Kannada, English, Hindi. So this is Kannada first language, English second language, Hindi third language. Similarly, if you have English first language, it will comes to part E, English, Kannada and Hindi. Here also for each paper they allotted 40 questions and 40 marks. So for one question, 1 mark. 40 questions into 1 is equals to 40 marks. So in paper 2 also total questions 120 questions and marks 120 marks. Time limit for each paper 1 hour. So paper A, part A 1 hour, for part B 1 hour, for part C 1 hour. So now let us discuss about blueprint mathematics. Okay, blueprint for the subject mathematics. So the KSEB gave two models. So this is model 1, blueprint of model 1. Chapter 1, arithmetic progression. For chapter 1, KSEB allotted 5 marks, means 5 multiple choices you will get from the chapter arithmetic progression. Chapter 2, triangles. For this chapter, KCB allotted 5 marks. Means in this chapter, you will get 5 MCQ questions. Third chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables. Allotted marks, 4 marks. Means 4 questions you will get from the chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables. For circles, allotted marks 5 marks. So you will get 5 questions from the chapter circle. For construction, only 1 mark, means only one multiple choice question they will ask for from the chapter construction. Next, coordinate geometry. From the chapter coordinate geometry, they allotted 4 marks, means 4 questions they will ask. This is part A. And for part B, quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, allotted marks is 4 marks. Means they will ask 4 multiple choice questions from the chapter quadratic equation. Next, introduction to trigonometry. For this chapter, allotted marks is 4. Means you will get 4 multiple choice question from the chapter introduction to trigonometry. Some applications of trigonometry. For this chapter, they did not allotted any marks, means you won't get any questions from the chapter, some applications of trigonometry. Statistics. For statistics chapter, allotted marks is 3, means you will get 3 multiple choice questions. Last chapter is surface area and volumes. For this chapter, allotted marks is 5 marks, means you will get 5 questions from the chapter surface area and volumes. So total questions 40 questions and total marks 40 marks. This is model 1, blueprint 1. Next second one is model 2. This is second blueprint. According to this, for the chapter arithmetic progression, allotted marks is 5, means you will get 5 questions from the chapter arithmetic progression. Next second chapter triangles, from this chapter you will get 5 questions, so 5 marks. Next, pair of linear equation in 2 variables. From this chapter you will get 3 multiple choice question and allotted marks is 3 marks. Circles, from the chapter circles, allotted marks is 3, means you will get 3 multiple choice questions from the chapter circles. Next, constructions. For this, allotted marks is 1, means you will get only 1 question. Next, coordinate geometry. So for this chapter, allotted marks is 4, then you will get 4 multiple choice question from this chapter. This is part A. Next, for part B, quadratic equation. Allotted marks is 5. So you will get 5 multiple choice questions from the quadratic equation. Next, introduction to trigonometry. Allotted marks is 6. Then you will get 6 MCQs from the chapter introduction to trigonometry. Some applications of trigonometry. In this model also, in this paper also, we did not get any marks. They did not allotted any marks. Next, statistics. For this chapter, allotted marks is 3. You will get 3 MCQs from this chapter. Next, surface area and volumes. Allotted marks is 5. You will get 5 MCQs from the chapter surface area and volumes. So total questions 40 and total marks is 40. Observe here some applications of trigonometry. They did not allotted any marks. Means it does not mean you won't get any marks, any questions. For example, they won't ask direct questions, but they will ask the values of sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, okay, related to introduction to trigonometry introduction to trigonometry, but they won't ask applications questions. They won't ask direct question. Indirectly, they will ask one question. All the best students. Read well, do well. Thank you for watching.